Hey there, DIY lovers and gadget fans. Welcome back to the channel where ordinary things become extraordinary. Today, we're diving into the fascinating universe of toothpick dispensing gadgets. Yes, those small, sneaky smart inventions that turn a humble toothpick into a moment of surprise, satisfaction, or even comedy. From ultra-sleek designs to mind-blowing DIY mechanisms, these gadgets are about to redefine how you think about hygiene, convenience, and creativity, all in one tiny stick. We've got gravity-defying contraptions, spring-loaded surprises, and even a few that'll make you say, hold on, how'd they do that? Whether you're a home chef, a party host, or a hardcore DIY enthusiast, stick around, pun intended, because these unique toothpick dispensers will blow your mind. Let's get started. First up is a masterpiece in minimalist design. This isn't just a box of toothpicks, it's a statement piece. The Gravity Drop Cube dispenser is all about sleek lines and satisfying clicks. Imagine a perfectly crafted wooden cube on your countertop, just begging to be touched. Tap the top, and like magic, a single toothpick slides out the side. This bad boy uses 0 springs, 0 batteries, 0 complicated mechanisms. Inside, there's a precisely angled ramp that guides the toothpicks down, one at a time, with each tap. And the best part? You can totally build one yourself. Basic woodworking skills are all you need. Customize it however you want. Walnut? Acrylic? The possibilities are endless. Introducing the Pecking Bird dispenser, a gadget so charming it'll have your guests chirping with delight. Picture this, a tiny colorful bird perched atop a little wooden perch. Push down gently on the bird's head, and watch as it dips its beak into a hidden compartment below. When the bird comes back up, it's magically holding a single toothpick in its beak. Not only does it add a touch of whimsy to your dining experience, but it also keeps those grubby fingers away from the rest of the toothpicks. You can get creative with the bird design, using everything from polymer clay to wood to even recycled materials. Trust me, the Pecking Bird dispenser is the perfect way to add a touch of personality to your next dinner party. Let's talk about practicality. Sometimes you just need a toothpick dispenser that's simple, reliable, and easy to take on the go. Enter the push-pop toothpick tube. This little guy is like the Swiss Army knife of toothpick dispensers. It's compact, efficient, and fits perfectly in your pocket, purse, or car's cup holder. Think of it like a clicky pen, but instead of dispensing ink, it dispenses toothpicks. Each satisfying click delivers one toothpick ready for action. You can repurpose an old marker barrel, a small plastic tube, or even a piece of bamboo. So if you're looking for a toothpick dispenser that's as practical as it is satisfying to use, look no further than the push-pop toothpick tube. Get ready to add a touch of elegance to your dining experience with this next gadget. This is the Magic Flip-Top Box, combining vintage charm with practical functionality. Imagine a beautifully crafted wooden box, maybe with some intricate carvings or a sleek, polished finish. Flip the lid open, and a neat row of toothpicks gently rises to greet you. The secret lies in the ingenious spring-loaded mechanism hidden inside. These boxes are often made from high-quality wood like mahogany or cherry, and they're built to last. You can totally build one yourself. Find an old cigar box, a vintage jewelry box, or even just a small wooden crate, and get creative. Add some felt lining to give it a luxurious feel, and maybe even engrave the lid with your initials or a cool design. The Magic Flip-Top Box is the perfect way to add a touch of class and sophistication to your next dinner party. Your guests will be amazed by your craftsmanship and your impeccable taste. Alright, gadget gurus, this one's for you. If you love a bit of tech in your life, prepare to be amazed by the automatic toothpick ejector. This is cutting-edge engineering meets everyday convenience. Forget about tapping, flipping, or pecking. This baby is all about that futuristic push-button action. Imagine hosting a fancy dinner party, and your guests marvel at your impeccable taste. You casually reach over to this sleek, chrome-plated device, press a button, and a single toothpick shoots out with pinpoint accuracy. This thing is packed with micromotors, gear systems, and maybe even a few LEDs for good measure. It's like a tiny robot, solely dedicated to the noble task of toothpick dispensing. If you're comfortable with a bit of soldering and have a knack for tinkering with electronics, then this could be the ultimate DIY challenge. The feeling of satisfaction when you finally get it working, totally worth it. Who says practicality can't be adorable? Get ready to say "aw" with the elephant trunk dispenser. This little guy is proof that even a toothpick holder can bring a smile to your face. Picture this, a charming little elephant figurine, perched on your countertop, its trunk raised in a playful salute. Tilt the elephant forward, and watch as a single toothpick magically slides out of its trunk. Not only does it add a touch of whimsy to your kitchen or dining room, but it's also surprisingly easy to use. You can find ceramic elephant figurines at most craft stores, or you can even make your own out of clay. Just make sure to create a smooth, hidden channel inside for the toothpicks to slide down. The elephant trunk dispenser is the perfect way to add a touch of personality and fun to your home. Plus, it's a great conversation starter. Calling all builders, creators, and Lego enthusiasts. This next gadget is for those who believe that everything is awesome, especially when it's made out of Lego bricks. Get ready to unleash your inner child with the Lego Toothpick Dispenser. This isn't just a toothpick holder, it's a testament to the power of imagination and the endless possibilities of Lego. Imagine a colorful contraption built entirely out of Lego bricks, gears whirring, levers clicking, and a dispenser chute just waiting to deliver its toothpicky goodness. Press a lever, turn a knob, or even rig up a motion sensor. The choice is yours. That's the beauty of Lego. You can customize it to your heart's content. Want to build a medieval castle with a toothpick dispensing drawbridge? Go for it. How about a futuristic spaceship with a spring-loaded toothpick cannon? The only limit is your imagination. This project is perfect for Lego fans of all ages. So, grab your Lego collection, fire up your creativity, and get ready to build the ultimate toothpick dispenser. Just be careful not to step on any stray bricks in the process. Get ready to step back in time with this next gadget, a masterpiece of both elegance and engineering. This is the vintage rotary toothpick carousel, and it's here to add a touch of old-world charm to your modern life. Imagine a gleaming brass and glass contraption sitting proudly on your dining table looking like it belongs in a fancy old-timey apothecary. Give the knob a gentle spin, and watch as the internal carousel rotates, bringing a fresh batch of toothpicks within reach. It's like a miniature Ferris wheel, but instead of thrill-seeking passengers, it's carrying those tiny wooden wonders we all know and love. If you're comfortable with a bit of woodworking, metalworking, or even just have a knack for tinkering with found objects, then this could be the ultimate DIY challenge. With a little bit of ingenuity and a lot of elbow grease, you can create a one-of-a-kind masterpiece that'll have your guests marveling at your craftsmanship. So if you're ready to add a touch of vintage elegance to your life, the vintage rotary toothpick carousel is calling your name. Let's cool things down with the ice cube style dispenser. This little beauty is all about clean lines, minimalist design, and a satisfyingly smooth dispensing action. Imagine a crystal clear acrylic cube sitting unobtrusively on your countertop, blending seamlessly with your modern decor. Push down on the top and watch as a single toothpick effortlessly glides out of a hidden slot. These dispensers are often made from thick, scratch-resistant acrylic, so you know they can handle everyday wear and tear. You can find pre-cut acrylic sheets at most craft stores, or you can even cut your own using a laser cutter for ultimate precision. Add some rubber feet for stability, and maybe even some LED lights for a cool, futuristic glow. The Ice Cube style dispenser is the perfect way to add a touch of modern elegance to your home. It's the kind of gadget that's both stylish and functional, proving that good design never goes out of style. Okay, cat lovers, this one's for you. Get ready for a serious dose of cuteness overload with the Cat Paw Dispenser. This little guy is proof that even a toothpick holder can be ridiculously adorable. Imagine a fluffy, plush cat paw just begging to be petted. Press down on the paw and watch as it extends a single toothpick, as if your feline friend is offering you a helping paw. You can find plush cat paw toys at most pet stores, or you can even make your own using a pattern. Just add a small lever or button mechanism to control the toothpick dispensing action. The Cat Paw Dispenser is the perfect way to add a touch of whimsy and feline fun to your home. Plus, it's a great conversation starter. Who knew toothpick dispensers could be so fun, right? From vintage charm to tech-powered genius, these gadgets prove that even the smallest things in your home can spark creativity and joy. Which one was your favorite? Was it the pecking bird, the Lego machine, or the classy rotary carousel? Drop your pick in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And hey, if you're feeling inspired, why not try building one yourself? It's the perfect weekend DIY project that's useful and fun to show off. Grab some scrap wood, raid your recycling bin, or dust off that old Lego collection. The possibilities are endless. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss more crazy cool ideas like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, life's too short for boring gadgets. Keep creating, stay clever, and we'll see you in the next video.